Hello everyone, I'm Nayanthi Kumarasinghe, a student of MSc in IT. This course module is Wireless Networking Technology. Today I'm going to give a presentations on wireless LAN technologies and related concepts. Wireless communications has become an essential part of modern life because many of the devices and services were used every day, such as smartphones, Wi-Fi networks, smart home devices, and the IoT systems. So, in these presentations, I will focus on four main areas. First, I will focus on the IEEE wireless LAN standard. The second one is wireless LAN security. The third one is important wireless technology. Uh, Finally, I hope to discuss with you specialized wireless technology. First, let us look at the IEEE 802.11 stands, which define how Wi-Fi operates. Um, the original IEEE 802.11 stands was published in 1997 and the supported data rates of up to 2 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band, although this speed was very limited. Uh, But it was an important starting point for wireless networking field. After that, several improved versions were introduced. Uh, After the IEEE 802.11, they introduced the IEEE 802.11b. This introduced in 1999. These were worked on the 2.4 gigahertz band and provided speed up to 11 Mbps, but it often suffered from interference. IEEE 802.11a is also introduced in 1999. This used the 5 gigahertz band and supported 54 Mbps, which reduced interference but gave a still shorter range. So, they introduced IEEE 802.11g. This stand introduced in 2003. This kept the 2.4 gigahertz band while increasing speed 54 Mbps. Then we moved the some more modern stands. Uh, what are those? IEEE 802.11n. We can call it as Wi-Fi 4. This was introduced in 2009 and supported both 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz band. It also improved the performance greatly and supported its speed up to 600 Mbps. Then they introduced IEEE 802.11 AC or Wi-Fi 5. This was introduced in 2013 and delivered higher throughput with wider channel and improved multi-antenna performance. Uh, Then they introduced Wi-Fi 6, that is IEEE 802.11ax. This improved efficiency, especially in crowded improvement and focus on better capacity, lower latency, and stronger performance in dense network. The latest generation, Wi-Fi 7, further improves throughput, reliability, and low latency performance with features such as 220 megahertz channels, multi-link operations, and higher order modulations. Mm, So the main idea is that as Wi-Fi stands involved, speed increased, bandwidth expanded, and overall network performance improved. Uh, Next, I will talk about wireless LAN security, which is very important for protecting data and preventing unauthorized access. There are four main security generations commonly discussed in this video. The first one is WEP. This was the earliest stance, but it is now considered very weak and can be hacked easily. Uh, WPA was introduced as an improvement and provided better key management. WPA2 became the widely used security standard and offered much stronger protection through the AES based encryptions. Uh, the last one is WPA3. This is the latest authentications. Uh, Latest generations and provide strong authentications, better protection against password guessing attack, and improved security for both personal and enterprise network. There are also some several key security concepts we should understand while learning this wireless LAN security. The first one is authentication. Authentication means checking who is allowed to access the network. Um, the second one is encryption. Encryption means protecting the data so that others can't read it. The last one is integrity. Integrity means ensuring that the data is not altered during transmissions. And here is the some special points. We can also explain wireless security through the CIA triad, which stand for uh, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. In simple terms, wireless LAN security has developed from basic and weak protection to stronger encryptions and more advanced authentications system. Now, let us look at some commonly used wireless technologies. Uh, First one is Bluetooth. Bluetooth is mainly used for short range communications, for example, in wireless headphones, speakers, keyboards, medical devices, and many consumer electronics. Those examples are we use in day to day life. It supports both Bluetooth Classic and Bluetooth Low Energy. Uh, Depending on the application. The second one is Zigbee. Zigbee is designed for low power IoT applications. It uses self healing mesh network, which make it suitable for smart homes, commercial buildings, and sensor based system with many connected devices. The third one is Li-Fi. Li-Fi is another wireless technology that uses light instead of the radio waves. Li-Fi is used the light for the communications. It is often discussed as a high-speed alternative in certain environments. Uh, when we talk about the modern wireless communications, this also include Wi-Fi 7 and 5G networks. The Wi-Fi 7 is which supports very high throughput and low latency. The 5G, which enable high capacity mobile communications and supports applications such as smart cities and the connected devices and advanced mobile services. Um, the key point here is finally, I will explain some specialized wireless technologies. The first one is LoRa. LoRa is used for long range, low power communication, is especially in sensor systems. The second one is LoRaWAN. LoRaWAN is the network architecture and protocol that enables battery powered devices to communicate over wide areas for IoT and machine to machine communications, smart city systems, and industrial applications. The next one is RFID. RFID is commonly used for identifying and tracking objects through the tags. Uh, the fourth one is NFC or near field communication. This is used for contactless payment, access control, opening web links, and quick device interactions over a very short range. Other specialized technologies includes IoT, which is connect device to the internet, and the wireless sensor network is another one. It is used for uh, monitoring environments. The other network is specialized technologies, body area networks, which are used in healthcare and wearable devices. Uh, the last one is vehicle area networks, which is supports communications in transportation systems. Um, these specialized technologies are especially important in areas such as uh, smart cities, healthcare, agriculture, and transportations. Uh, to conclude today video, um, the wireless technologies have developed significantly over time. IEEE stands have improved speeds and efficiency and the performance. Wireless security stands have evolved to better protect data and users. Different wireless technologies are designed for different communication needs. Specialized technologies now supports modern systems such as IoT, healthcare devices, and smart cities, and intelligent transportations. Overall, wireless communications plays the major role in today's digital world and will continue to be essentials in the future. This is the reference. I collect some informations referring those links. Uh, this is the ending of today video. Thank you for listening.